Shut up and sit down.
Somebody asked me, how do you put these LED turn signals in? Well, let me show you something first. The reason I'm taking these out, or at least this one, is because when I modified them to fit perfect, I cut too much. Oh, what happened here? And so what happened was, if you can see this, the top section I had evidently cut too far through the copper stuff, and it shut them lights off. Well, anyways, I ordered a new set, so we're going to show you how to put these in. So I've set it, there's a, well, right here. See that? There's a gap right there. It's where your screwdriver goes in. Put it in there like so. And just twist it and it'll pop out. Boom. Now, as you can see in here, like I had said, I ground the edges out so that it would fit in there a little better. And I'd cut too far. See the metal strip there? There's a section where I've cut it out too far, and so that it doesn't work anymore. Or at least part of it anyway. So, here we go. Just turn it to the left. Look how it comes out. See, the short end on mine was up here and to the right a little bit. So I got to remember that when I put that in. Okay, as you can see here, or not, I've cut the edges where you see these here on the inside of the lights. I'd ground them down with the angle grinder there. As you can see, on the other side there's a, I call it tin, but underneath there's copper. As long as you don't go all the way through that, you'll be fine. But all you do is you set them in there, line up your little gaps here. Like so, and it should fall down in there. Once it's down in there, you're fine. Now, plug the bulb into the socket the way it came out. If it don't turn, you're not in right. There you go, just like so. Now I like to keep this little gap here. I like to keep that on bottom so water don't collect in there. So you snap it in and it will roll a little bit. There you go. Now we'll turn these back on. Now it says to leave the hazards flashing for 5 minutes. I'm not sure that you can see the difference, but yeah, it's blinking yellow in the center. It may not look like it. It may look all white. But in person, these are orange. The outside line is white. And that's how you put them on and off. Just simple. So for you guys that didn't understand that, I'm sorry, but now you know. And I like these lights too, so have a good day.